this is giving only my intercept value A and B. If I want to see the F value, T value, R square value, then I should give summary of this model, MODL. Any variable, it's your choice. You can give even M. So I've given everything. It's showing me all. And now I thought of doing a plot. Sorry, PLOT, plot. Plot. In this data, using is you are supposed to use dollar to say that from the data you use, from the file you use that particular variable. I'll be showing with the 3 or 4 data set. So by the end of the lecture, you will be clear why I am using this data. Since I've increased the font size, the last line is getting hidden. It will move up, wing length. So now I'm giving AB line. Ours is model, right? Model, comma, give a color is equal to red. RED, red. Can you see this? It has fitted the line A and B, the regression line. AB is your equation A and B, no, A plus BX, intercept and BX. So it has fitted the value. That is what it's giving as AB line, fitting line. I'm asking it to fit the line and show me how well is the fit. It is saying the fit is perfect. How did I know the fit is perfect? From the correlation itself. You see where is the correlation? It was 0.99, I believe. There is CORRC. It is 0.99. 0.99 is approximately 1. So perfect fit. And even R square value, you can see what is the R square value, residual, multiple R, F statistics, adjusted R square. Yeah. Look at this. It is also 0.997. See how well is the fit. So this is one small thing which I want to tell you in the data set. Next, moving on to some inbuilt data set. Okay, I'll show you that, like in any package, any statistical econometric package, you can see there'll be a lot of inbuilt files in it. In SPSS also you can see, in eViews, in R is there, Gritter is there. So many files, like inbuilt files will be there, inbuilt data set, I mean to say. So I'll just show you something. There is CARS. Just type CARS, cars. Once you type cars, can you see this? This is inbuilt data set. I didn't do anything. The system itself is having some file for us to work and see. This is one among them. CARS. So to see the file, I'm just telling head, HEAD, head of this CARS, cars. First 6 observation will be given for us. So you can see the first 6 observation of cars. And then if I want to see tail, TAIL, tail of cars. Last 6 observation. Next I want to see the structure of cars. What is the structure of cars? STR. Structure of CARS, cars. It is telling it is a data frame, and it is having 2 variables. Can you see this? $speed, $dist. That is the way that is why when I'm going to refer to this variable, I am telling in this cars use this $speed, use this distance. If I say use speed and distance, it won't do like that. So for R exclusively, you are supposed to call it with this syntax. So when you're doing again, we'll see. Next two more inbuilt data file I'll take and I'll work it out for you. Quickly we'll see before we are running out of time. Okay, so what is this? In cars, I'm doing some sort of analysis. What I'm doing now, can I see plot? Plot cars, PLOT, plot cars, CARS. See, can you see the plots? Speed and distance. I didn't do it. Just plot cars, it's enough. Can I see box plot cars? Up arrow. I'm just going and I'm just typing box plot cars. Speed and distance. Here I can do something. Again, what I can do is, I'll show you the command which I can see to get the outliers. You know what is outliers, right? The data point which does not fit in with the other data points. So there is data like 1, 2, 17, 20 and 25. 1, 2, 17, again 3, 4, 5. Think like that. 17 does not fit in the line, right? So when you draw a graph, a sudden spike will be there or sudden downfall will be there. So that is this outliers. So checking the outliers here, I can just see, use this, okay. Box plot, I'm already having box plot, cars. In cars, use speed. So I'm telling to use dollar speed. Okay, use speed, and you can give, you can, my main heading will be equal to CARS, anything within quotes will be printed. I can give X label, Y label, everything I can give here. Thing 2. Okay, so here, just I want to see for speed. Again, to take the, because earlier what did we do? We did this box plot cars. I found an outlier here. Can you see this outliers? So, but in speed, it's not there. So individually, when I checked with speed, and I checked with the variable of speed, it's nice. Now I'm moving back again to check with distance. So what is DIST? Can you see this? Speed and DIST. Moving back, type DIST. So main I'm giving. And then here I need to do something else to get it. To get the outlier, comma. So subject SUV is equal to, you paste something there, PASTE, you say outliers, LI outlier, in rows, OWS. I'm just asking you to print the outlier, that's all, nothing more, comma, box plot dot STATS CARS, cars, in cars data set. I just want to see distance, DIST. It is there in distance or not? DIST, close. You have a, I just want to see the outlier, dollar, out, hope it works. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. We'll see whether it works or not. Some mistake, that is what I said. No, somewhere something will be. Box plot, cars, DIST, comma, main, I'm giving it as cars, comma, sub, equal to paste, PAST, outlier. Outlier is just, go back and I'll just check only the outlier. Instead of giving this, I think this is, I didn't close the, open the parentheses here in outlier, so that is the reason. So outlier, open, close, hope it works. Yeah, it works. See, can you see this? It is telling in 120th row, there is an outlier. The number is 120, sorry, in 120, because we have only 50 observations. In 120, we have the number called 120, which is an outlier in this data point. because we have only 50 observations. It's telling the outlier is there. Even specifically, I can even ask to print if I give extra commands. It will tell exactly in which data point it is there. So here it's telling like 120 is the outlier. In this case, only it is outside here. That is what. Okay. So with this, this is one. It is over. And little next we'll go and see. Box plot is done. So we'll have a L is equal to. We'll fit a model. Okay. L is equal to linear model of CARS. In cars, how do you say? Speed depends upon distance, right? So speed is PEED, speed. Again, shift, tilde. Again in cars, DIST. Okay, close. Print L. A and BX. So give the summary. Summary of L. Okay, done. So here I can even say correlation. I can see. Okay, I can see correlation of car directly, but since it's there, I'm just typing it. COR. Okay, it's giving the correlation value 80.7. What did we do? We have done an LM here, linear model, and then now we can do. We'll see whether it's plotting L. I don't think it plots L. Yeah, sorry, plot L. Then I L. Sorry, something I've done. Okay, luckily we are out. So I'll give the, again I'll do the LM and I'll give the, what is the command? Here I'm giving, okay, plot. Okay, it has plotted. Now again you do AB line, L, comma, what did we do? Color. We said the color. Okay, color anything you can give. Equal to blue, red, yellow, whichever you write, you can give. But within quotes, if you give the color, can you see this? I'll show you something else. We did this correlation, right? We can do COR dot test, core dot test for the same variables. Sorry, wait. Where are we? Where am I? I can give core dot test to give extra information. I just got only one value. Can you see the difference? Core gives you only one information, 80.7. But here, when I give core dot test, it says what is the correlation. It used Pearson correlation is telling the degrees of freedom along with the other p values and what is the correlation value. Everything it will give in detail. Like summary of this. Okay. So moving on to the next one more. Correlation I'll show and I'll just finish it. Not finishing, I have to do with the time series also. So now I'm using empty cars, MTCARS, empty cars. This is also an inbuilt data set. So what is this empty cars? Just check the structure of empty cars, STR of empty cars, CARS, okay. Case sensitive and exact. See how many variables it's having, 11 variables it's having and 32 observations it's having. And what are the variables, how it is measured, it's giving here. Now, next I can give plotting. I'm plotting empty cars, PLOT, plot this empty cars. See how it is plotting. Then I'm seeing correlation of empty cars. correlation of empty cars. But if in case I want only certain variables, it's because there are more which occupies the place and I'm not able to see it. And look at the correlation. The graph also, it's very clumsy, right? We want to have a nice clear look. So I'm selecting some variables. So I'm giving like this. T is equal to empty cars of, comma, I'm using some variable C of few variables I'm taking. Okay, I can take 1, 3, 5, 7, and 6 I'm taking. 6 and 7 I'll take. Okay, 6, 7. And close with a box bracket. Enter. I've taken it. So now I'm giving the option OPTIONS options. Just see what is this options doing? DIGITS digits equal to 3. Just see what is this doing. Now I'm doing this core of T. Can you see this? After look, I just stopped after decimal place. Just give only the three digits. I'm telling. I mean, I informed the system, so it's giving only 3, or else it is 4. 2 also you can stop. To put everything in a neat way, I'm just giving. I'm choosing the variables, and I've given only 3. Just stop at 3 digits after the decimal place. Now, M is equal to. I'm just giving something else. Do you see what is it happening? Correlation of empty cars.